Hi there, this is a pet door insert in a custom color and it's got the adapter installed. So you can see at the top the adapter has been cut and fitted into the track at the top, but it goes all the way to the bottom. So it sits in nice at the bottom and top. And the advantage of having the adapter is that you get to close your fly screen door, enjoy the breeze coming inside, but there's no bugs coming in because the adapter will close the gap between the two doors. And whenever you want to close the sliding glass door over, you just close it and lock it into the adapter. And there you go, you've got yourself a pet door insert installed with the adapter. And you can also see the adapter creates a really lovely seal at the top too. So I'm just going to open the door and you get to see. And it's very strong and sturdy, installed pet door insert in the sliding door. And this particular one, it's just got a soft flap without any magnets on the bottom. But you can have a semi-hard flap or a soft flap with a metal bar across at the bottom. See, this one doesn't have any magnets, so the flap can actually bend at the bottom. But if I was to have a little metal strip, it will connect to the magnetic at the bottom and keep the flap closed.